So we decided to get a conservatory because we've got 2 young kids and the house got smaller and smaller as they arrived. The most sort of cost-effective solution was to look at conservatories. Extensions were just a lot more expensive and there's planning involved, so it was just a lot easier. So we found conservatory land because a neighbour of ours had used them and highly recommended them. So we just got in touch and got a quote online, and it was really, a really good price compared to other conservatory companies. Yeah, so we utilised their finance offer instead of fronting the cost, completely up front. It just made it a lot simpler and more manageable. I did want to go and build it myself, but my wife decided that an approved installer would be much better, and I'd agree. When they arrived on the day of installation, there was a lot of parts, but the approved installers obviously have done this numerous times and they knock up really quickly. So the base was in day 1, I think, and it was up within a few days. It's been a game changer for our house. So, we needed more space because we had one downstairs living area, and because we've got the high walls on either side, it feels like a proper room. But no, all of our friends and family, have said how good it looks. Conservatory land said to us, let us know if there's any problems along the way. But they messaged us a number of times saying, is everything okay, everything fine? And we didn't need to speak to them at all because it all went up quickly, no problems. The communication was great, support was great, no complaints.